Hi, this is Luke, and this is how to get perfect drum tracks for songwriters using Acoustic Songwriter EZX from Toontrack. This is an expansion for EZdrummer 3 with 7 kits, including different tools such as sticks, rods and brushes, expertly recorded in a world-class facility. Today I'm using the Studio B kit in Acoustic Songwriter EZX, as well as EZdrummer 3's comprehensive tools for composition to give the perfect parts to a simple idea. So a great part needs great sounds, and right here I've got the Studio B kit, but I also have the Studio A option. And because it's EZdrummer 3, I get a wide range of different instruments that I can swap out as I need and even tune. And in Acoustic Songwriter EZX, I also get some options played with rods, finely sampled different velocities, and in Studio B I even get a brushed option as well, as opposed to the sticks. So there are 7 kits and loads of kit pieces and percussion as well. But just as important, if not more, is the part itself. EZdrummer 3 lets me program the part in a number of ways. I can play in with eDrums, or I can use tap to find. So once that's clicked in, I get suggestions. So lots of MIDI arriving with Acoustic Songwriter EZX, but I can use existing expansions as well as my superior Drummer 3 content if I have that as well. But EZdrummer 3 gives me bandmates, and remarkably all I have to do is pull in some MIDI or existing audio for EZdrummer 3 to come up with just the right part for my song. I'm taking a bounce of my piano idea. Now what makes this so useful for my particular song is that EZdrummer 3 will come up with a part based upon the audio or the MIDI that I've just dropped in. That sounds like this. I can make it busier. I really want to get that push on this part. And there it is. It feels like the drummer's hitting a bit hard at the moment, so I can maybe make it softer by pulling back the velocity, or I can make it whisper quiet. So not only can I get a part that works really well with my music, but I've also got options for some real musical nuance in there as well. If I'm happy with that, I have the option to either build my composition right inside EZdrummer 3, and I have a comprehensive MIDI editor available. However, I prefer to build up my composition on the timeline in my DAW, and when I bring all of those elements together, my part is shaping up really nicely. But whether I'm coming up with a part for a songwriter or maybe even just working completely solo, the sounds in Acoustic Songwriter EZX are providing the perfect backdrop for my song idea with world-class sounds that can make it to the final mix. So that's using Acoustic Songwriter EZX for perfect drum tracks for songwriters. World-class sounds as well as fantastic compositional tools, helping me get the best out of my EZX there, right inside EZdrummer 3. To find out more, And to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.